In this video, I'll show you how to transfer clips from your PS5 Pro to your mobile device. Now on the PS5 Pro, all you have to do is go to the media gallery and find the image or the video that you'd like to share to your mobile device. So let's say for instance is this one. All I have to do is highlight it and then press the options button on your controller and then scroll down and select upload to PlayStation app. So select that. And then once you're done, exit the media gallery and then grab your phone and launch the PlayStation application on your device. So ensure that you have the PS app. If you don't have it, you can find it on Google Play or iOS. So once you launch the application, ensure that the account that is linked to the PS app is the same that one is used on the PS5 Pro. Now once you're done launching the application, all you have to do is select this icon, the fourth one from the left, tap on it, and then select captures. Now you might get this prompt, automatically uploads your latest captures from the PS5 to your app, to the PS app. So ensure that this is enabled. Now once it's enabled, give it a few minutes for the video to be uploaded on your device. In case it doesn't appear immediately, there you go, and see, you can now see your video. In case it doesn't appear immediately, you can simply go back to the media gallery, find that particular video or file, and then press the options button, and then select upload to the PlayStation app, and it will directly be uploaded to your mobile device. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.